Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Moving on to the producers, as I said, they've backed this wonderful project. We'll start with Mr. Saurabh Gupta. Some fan following over there. That is required, yes. Aditi ke liye bahut halla hua tha. So abhi competition hone wala hai. They're going to compare. All right. So, getting this amazing crew, everybody together, and as he said, releasing it in such a big market. How difficult was it for you? Or was it like, theek hai, achhe log hain, kar lenge, we'll do it?
I think Aditi will be able to answer that question because she's the one who's responsible for bringing all this together, including us. So
Yeah.
I think
All right, I'll definitely ask you that. But the buzz, I want you to comment on the buzz. There is this buzz globally. Those who've seen the rushes, some lucky people have seen the movie. So what do you have to say about them?
so. Actually, the film released in a few countries overseas, and it's done very well. Frankly,
Yeah.
not in terms of just the performance, in terms of numbers, but also in terms of the reviews.
Yeah.
Some of the big journals have rated it very highly.
Yes.
That's very encouraging for us. The film got released in a staggered manner in most countries, but we are very lucky and we've been able to bring the key markets, which is India, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, US, UK, Canada,
Yes.
and Japan, all releasing around the same time in June. So that shows the power of the film, and that's been a challenge, but it's happened.
And I'm sure abhi bahut kuch hone wala hai. They're going to mint a lot of moolah because, okay, I had
So
to
in
say
terms of
that.
the moolah, this is something which we can share now on this platform, that despite the fact that all the big markets are yet to release, we are already around 30 crores.
Whoa, that's something. So congratulations.
So we're very hopeful when all these markets starting to perform, then it should again break more box office records for them.
Right. I'm sure aisa hoga. Fingers crossed. Aditi, this one's for you. Yeah, come on, make some noise. Whenever his movie releases, I think hall mein yahi hota hoga. Everybody's like, we can't hear the dialogues because everybody's shouting, screaming, and the same kind of thing is happening, the same kind of reception you are also getting over here. So what do you have to say? First international, how many countries are involved here? I've forgotten. It's Belgium, France.
Every single continent in the world, apart from the two icy ones,
Right.
we have either cast or crew from there.
Right.
Every single continent.
Whoa. So how do you see it, 21st June? How do you, as he already said, we've minted a lot of moolah. So how are we seeing the release in India now?
So, to be honest, this film is about the triumph of the human spirit. It's about the triumph of love. That's really what this film is about, and that's how we've made the film. I think that there's been challenges for us at every stage, as would happen with a film of this size. But we've been really lucky, and particularly I feel I've been very lucky because I have an incredible set of men on this stage that have, the first time that I called Dhanush about the film,
Right.
I had no expectation that he would answer my call. But by the end of the day, we had agreed to do the film. And it was maybe 8 hours that it took for that to happen.
Right.
And that's just been the providence of the film, since then.
Right.
We've had challenges like when we were dubbing for the film, Dhanush was in Chennai, our dubbing studio was in Belgium, and Ken was in Montreal in Canada. So, we've really used technology to the absolute fullest.
Right.
I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that the film has surmounted every single challenge so far. And with the incredible energy that I have, especially on the stage and with Dhanush and Ken, box office aside, I think this film is going to get a lot of love. And that's what we're all looking for.
And some recognition, like the biggest ones. And we have these Oscar-nominated actors, and I'm sure they're going to win something. Kuch to hone wala hai, na? And then we'll come back and we'll celebrate the success. Ek baar zordar taaliyan for this amazing cast and crew. Director from Canada, lead from India, actors from the US, France. How do we pronounce the name of the actress? Beguenise, Bejo.
Berenice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Berenice Bejo.
Beguenise Bejo.
Very good.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I have done my bit.